Welcome back to Baking Art Theory. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of pastry flour, the secret ingredient behind some of your favorite treats like croissants, scones, and pie crusts. Pastry flour is a finely milled flour with a lower protein content compared to all-purpose flour, making it perfect for creating tender and flaky baked goods. In this episode, we'll explore its unique properties, how it differs from other types of flour, and why it's essential for achieving that perfect texture in your pastries. So grab your apron and let's get started on this delicious journey. Pastry flour is a finely milled, low-protein flour made from soft wheat. It strikes a perfect balance between cake flour and all-purpose flour, making it ideal for tender pastries, pie crusts, and biscuits. This type of flour typically contains around 8 to 9% protein, which is lower than all-purpose flour but higher than cake flour. The lower protein content helps create a delicate, tender crumb in baked goods. When using pastry flour, you can expect your pastries to have a light, airy texture. It's particularly well suited for recipes that require a soft, flaky consistency. Whether you're baking a batch of buttery scones or flaky pie crust, pastry flour can elevate your baking to the next level. Understanding the differences between cake flour, pastry flour, and bread flour is essential for any baker. Cake flour is the lightest of the three, with a protein content of about 7 to 8%. It's perfect for light and airy cakes and delicate baked goods. Pastry flour falls in the middle with a protein content of 8 to 9%. It provides a tender yet stable texture, ideal for pastries like croissants, scones, and pie crusts. Bread flour has the highest protein content, typically around 12 to 14%. This makes it perfect for breads and other yeast-leavened products that require strong gluten development. When using pastry flour, be sure to handle your dough gently. Overworking it can develop too much gluten, leading to tougher results. Pastry flour helps you achieve that perfect balance of tenderness and structure, making your baked goods simply irresistible. Thank you so much for joining us on this delightful baking journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the art of baking, make sure to check out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest delicious content. Happy baking, and we can't wait to see you next time.